Hello Kathy, this is Bob Hollis with the Mobius Network, and I'm putting together a quick demo video for you on our interim site to show you how to add additional photos to this front page photo slideshow. And to do that, as you can see, I'm out here on the home page, oceanavenueassociation.org. If I type after that /administrator, it will give me a login panel, and once I log in, it takes me to this control panel for Joomla. Now, once I'm there, I added a component called Explorer that acts as a file manager. So there are actually a couple of ways you can do this. One is if you go to Content, Media Manager, and from within Media Manager, I created a group called Photos 1. And you can use this browse button to browse to a photo on your desktop and then upload it using the button indicated there. A word of caution, any photos that you're going to use need to be named properly or they won't render well on the website. They should be all start at least with a lowercase letter, have no spacing, no dashes, so keep them as streamlined as possible. Sometimes if you don't, they'll work fine in certain browsers and not in others, simply because they start with a capital letter. So that's a place where you can upload a photo at a time. If you have more than that you'd like to upload and want direct access to this file system with more features and capabilities, for example, you can only upload 10 megabyte here. If I go to Components and Explorer, which is an extension I installed for these purposes, and again to the Images folder and Photos 1, and you can see I've uploaded some photos here already as a demo. And if I'd like to upload a zipped folder of other photos, I'm going to click Upload, browse to one of the folders that you already provided. So we did OAA Photos 1. It looks like that one's done. This one I apparently only got a partial file, but we can go to OOA Pics 3.zip, open those, save, and now this may take longer than we want to hold for the video itself. So I won't keep us on here if it's taking a while to upload. But what we would do once it did upload into this file, it's going to come in as a zipped folder, and right here is a button to extract zipped folders. So we would then extract it, right click on each file name to rename it, to remove all the spaces and make sure it starts with a lowercase letter, and that's all we need to do. As soon as we do that, it will populate this display right here. And there's a module in the back where I can show you how to set the height, width, number of photos you want to display. And if we have category photos, say one for shopping, one for dining, one for playing, education, whatever else you'd like to include, we can also have those link to a page so that when somebody clicks on them, they go to a different page on the site based on the photo content. So that's a quick video demonstration of how to populate the photo slides. And I will be creating these for each of the modules to make things simple for you. And what you'll see on my next video is there will be a menu down here that's only accessible to administrators. So once you log in on the front end of the site, you'll see a little module that shows up that says Admin Resources, and we will have a link to this video as well as others for each of the other modules we're installing. So that's it for this one, and I'll look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks again, Bob Hollis, bob@themobiusnetwork.com.